Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you about stew. So, as you remember, in the previous video, we have seen about Ethiopian staple food. So, this topic also it is continue from that. So, let's see one by one. So, stews. Stews means in Amharic wet. Stews means in Amharic wet. Wet. So, there are different stews that prepared in Ethiopia. So, let's see one by one. The first one is spicy chicken stew. Spicy chicken stew. It means in Amharic doro wet. Doro wat. By the way, this doro wat, it is a special food in Ethiopia, and it is most of the time it is prepared for holidays, prepared for ceremonies or holidays. And the other is beef stew. Beef stew. It means in Amharic sega wet. Sega wet. In Amharic, beef stew means sega wet. And red spicy stew. Red spicy stew. It means in Amharic ቀይ ወጥ. ቀይ ወጥ. Red spicy food. Red spicy stew. In Amharic ቀይ ወጥ. ቀይ ወጥ. And mild stew, it is the opposite of red spicy stew. So mild stew, it means in Amharic alcha wet. And red lentil stew, it means in Amharic ምስር ወጥ. Red lentil stew, in Amharic ምስር ወጥ. And chickpea stew, in Amharic it means ሽሮ ወጥ. Chickpea stew in Amharic it is shuro what. This shuro what, by the way, it's the most and the first. It is the first major stew in Ethiopia. Most of the time, usually, it is prepared in all houses, or in whole region. So it is chickpea stew. It is shuro wet, and split pea stew. It means in Amharic cook wet. Split pea stew, it is cook wet. In Amharic, it means cook wet. And mild split peas, it means in Amharic cook alcha. And vegetable stew, it means in Amharic አትክልት ወጥ. Vegetable stew, it means in Amharic አትክልት ወጥ. And potato stew, it means in Amharic ድንች ወጥ. Potato stew, it means in Amharic ድንች ወጥ. And fish stew in Amharic it means አሳ ወጥ. Fish stew, it means in Amharic አሳ ወጥ. Fish stew in Amharic it is አሳ ወጥ. So this is all about today's lesson. So thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. So see you to another video. Bye.